Hello, this is Rawatron Horizon 72-volt electric motorcycle style e-bike. Beautiful red color. It's available to buy at Surreyebikes.ca. It has programmable controller, 3-speed, can be programmed up to 100 kilometers. Comes with 2 keys, fobs, alarm, anti-theft, remote start. It has a little bit change settings. This is hazards, light, park. This is a speed button. This is reverse assist right here to hold and throttle. Honk, high beam, low beam signals, front brake, rear brake, master cylinders. It has Bluetooth stereo as well. The charging port is right where the foot pad is. This is the flap. For paper or some little storage, it's under the seat. Key hole is right here. The air brake or battery kill switch is right there, hidden underneath. You can see this is to reset the controller, or if you're parking in winters for a long time, charge your bike and flip the kill switch. That will save them to die over time. This can be upgraded to 84 40 amp or 80 amp lithium for longer range, more power and more torque. It's on sale for $34.99. Financing available. We ship Canada wide. Thank you.